Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked accounts. On the application of Truecaller, you will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Truecaller and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.